to THAIFEX HOREC Academy 2026.
It's always important to be like in exhibitions and forums and platforms of the industry in order to know what's going on, what are the trends. It's always like for me, always a big brainstorming session with external, so not internal within the company, but external. So it's always very good to get new ideas and new points of view.
I think one thing is that when you come to these kind of fairs, you see a lot of new things. It's an opportunity you have to see trends, to see new products, new solutions, new companies. I think it's a platform also of learning. Then you can discuss a lot of new ideas for your business also.
A lot of professionals like us, we don't have time to actually go out to seek more information like THAIFEX HOREC can offer. I think a lot of workshop in HOREC that I've been to is very informative. They actually help us to gain additional knowledge to uplift our business and definitely more profit margin for our food service industry. Today, I mean, if you're really in the food business industry in Thailand or in the world, you have to visit this show.